Fake news po ang pinagkakalat ng DepEd. What the hell? Nababasa niyo pa lang po sa screen. Yan na po yung mga kasinungalingan ng DepEd. 1. School claims everyone needs 8 hours of sleep. But in reality, sleep can vary by age. What the hell? Ako mismo gumagawa po ng sound effects. Not edited. Ayoko pa mag-edit. Infants need 16, children 10, teens to adults 8, seniors just up then 6 hours. Wait lang. Nung mas kamplema ka, ba't mo pa nialalim boses ko? Schools say the Gregorian calendar is the most accurate, but the solar hijri pasok na buwit. But in reality, especially ginawang calendar, pinaka-accurate. 17 billion years. Huwag tatagal. What is this? Schools visit highways have speed of 60 kilometers per hour, but limits depend on the road type. Expressways allow up to 100, national highways 80, and city roads 40 to 60. Number 4. Schools teach that 11:59 is the last minute of a day, pero it's 23:59. Di nyo po napapansin, 11:59, walang PM na katabi. 5. Schools claim King David in the Bible is fictional, but tradition and historical records present him as a real monarch of Israel. Lolo ni Jesus Christ. Great. 25 times. King David.
Kamay mo kayo, kuya mo.
Okay. Number 6. School studying only happens in school. But in ancient Greece, school meant leisure or rest. Diyan po nang galing ng salitang school. Sa Greece, nagpahinga sila. Kaya po naging a place to study kasi nga nagchichismisan yung mga ancient Greeks sa isang kanto. Tapos yun na, inorganize to nila. Tapos yun naging school na yun. Learning can happen anywhere. Sa bahay man, sa mall man. 7. Schools in sit a day is always 86,400 seconds. But Earth's rotation slips slightly with the seasons, making some days longer or shorter. Minsan may 90 hours. Joke lang. Shit. 8. Schools teach noon is always 12. But in NCR, solar noon actually falls around 11:52. Sa Spain po, mas malala. Mga 2 p.m. pa ang solar noon. 9. Schools claim treachery is irredeemable, but history and literature can show betrayal can be forgiven and redeemed. Fake news naman ang nagkakalat din. Kaya pala, sisipon pala ako. Mag-face mask na ako. Okay. Number 10. Ang panghuli. Fake. Yan. Kailangan nyo na ito baguhin. Schools say a day is always 86 26,400 seconds. But astronomically, a sidereal day is only 86,164 seconds, 23 hours, 56 minutes, and 4 seconds. Next GTA 3 stunts, by the way, ay June 11. "23 hours, 56 minutes. Kailangan natin itong baguhan eh. Mga textbooks dati, fake news, peddler. Sidereal day is how long it would take to reach 360 days. Solar day is 361. See you next time, boy.